Guys, welcome back again to my channel. Good morning. So it's November 9, 8 what time is it? Let me see. It's 8:38 a.m. Quit quite up quick update. Ayan siya. Pinutol namin yung mga puno guys kasi para ready para hindi maputol yung wifi at kuryente namin. Ayan. Pero bibili ako ngayon ng hotdog at itlog. Samahan nyo ako. Let's go. Pabili. Hotdog, dalawa. Tsaka isang itlog. Tapos, kalahating boteng mantika. Magkano na? Isa pa ang hotdog. Wala yung tender juicy. Tender, papalit na itong isa. Bali, dalawang tender juicy. Ayan guys, yung ating binibili, hotdog and egg. Saan lang kaya? Wala, dumidilim. Hotdog, egg, and oil. I'm gonna make a mushroom soup and I'm gonna put egg on the mushroom soup. Kano lang? Thank you. Let's go back in the house. I don't bring my stand with me. So this is what I bought. 3 hot dog and then 1 egg and a half bottle of the oil. Yeah. This is what happened here. I think later it's going to rain so much because it's signal number 3 and the rain just stopped. Pero guys, ayun na nga. No. Pupunta na tayo dito sa bahay. Kaya nandito na tayo. Pakihinaan mo na yung tugtog. Isang minuto lang. No. So guys, punta na tayo sa ating nasa na yung stand ko? Madilim! Okay! I'm here! And then I'm going to cook na. Ayan. So, pakita ko sa inyo. So, this is what I put.